Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I like to do my base makeup or how I like to do my makeup when I'm heading to work. I have simplified this routine because when I'm going to work I do not want to put in a lot of effort in getting ready, but at the same time I want to look put together because whenever I'm conducting these meetings and meeting clients I want to look a little bit presentable. So that's the reason why I mostly go in for this makeup look. So in case if you guys want to know how I transformed myself from this to this, then please continue watching. Before I jump in today's video, I would like to thank today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by SS Beauty. All of the products that I'm using in this video, you can find it all on their website. If you'd like to get your hands on them too, then this is the right time for you because they are running their SS Beauty Showstopper sale, wherein you can get up to 50% off on your favorite brands like Maybelline, MAC, Bobbi Brown, Lakme, Be Blunt and more. You can check out their website or their app, which is very easy and convenient to use. You can also shop from their store, and in case if you're using their app, the app also helps you to locate the nearest store around you. So hurry and make the most of this sale. Thank you so much SS Beauty for sponsoring this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to be using a pore filling primer. This one is by Sugar. This is their most eligible soothing primer, focusing it on the areas where I have open pores, which is mostly my cheek area and the centers of my nose. Then I'll be taking this Fresh Tint by Maybelline. This one is in the shade 05, and I'm taking very little of it and applying it all over my face using my fingers, and then I'm going to be spreading it out using a brush by PAC Cosmetics. This will beautifully even out my skin tone without looking too heavy. Next up for blush, I'm going to be using this one by K Beauty. It's in the shade Cozy Coral, and I'm going to be applying it on my cheeks. Obviously, I'm using the same brush to blend out my blush. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using this one by K Beauty, and I'm going to be applying it to the usual areas, which is my under eyes, the corner of my nose and my mouth, and I'm going to let it set for a few seconds and focus on my blush application again. Doing this step will ensure that I get the maximum coverage out of my concealer without using too much concealer. Again, I do not want my face to look too heavy, or I do not want my face to look too makeupy. You know what I mean? So for my goal for everyday makeup look is to use as little product as possible but look flawless. Then it's time to set everything in place, and I'm going to be using my Mama Earth loose powder. This loose powder literally makes my makeup stay in place all day long. It's so good, and can you see the difference, how it mattified my face? I absolutely love it. Then moving on to my eyes, I'm going to be using my trusty Sugar Too Good To Be True dual eyeshadow, and I'm using the matte side. Love this shade, by the way. It just gives enough definition without looking too much. I like to apply the shadow all over my lid and up to my crease, and also a little bit on the outer third of my lower lash line. And the fact that it stays all day long is an added bonus. To further define my eyes, I'm going to be using a gel liner, also by Sugar. I'm going to be drawing a very teeny tiny wing liner, and using a smudger brush, I'm going to smudge out this liner because I do not want my eyeliner to look super harsh. I want it to look a little bit smoky and a little bit, defined, but not too defined. What I meant to say is that I want my eyeliner to look very soft. You guys, we are almost done with this makeup look. I'm now going to be curling my lashes, and then I'm going to be using my favorite Maybelline Sky High mascara, and look at the magic that it does. It makes my non-existent lashes existent. I like to apply a generous coat of this mascara only on my top lashes and not on my lower lashes. You guys know that already. I avoid applying mascara on my lower lashes because all mascara smudges on me, and that's not a cute look. So to set my cream blush in place, I'm going to be using a powder blush, also by K Beauty. And to make this makeup look even more long lasting, I'm going to be using my favorite setting spray by Lakme. This will ensure that my face stays in place all day long. Last but not the least, I am going to be rubbing off any excess lip balm that I have on my lips, and I'm going to be using my favorite Bobbi Brown crushed lip all over my lips. It's such a beautiful everyday nude shade, and that's the last step, you guys. Okay, that's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. And with that, you guys, I'm going to take a leave, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.